Samidoh and his wife Ndeto riu ni andu maihuritwo ni gikeno kinene muno, na Ndeto ni arakorirwo akiumbura ndeto ici cia magegania kugerera all her social media platforms. Aihuritwo ni gikeno kinene muno, arakorwo agicare ndeto ici with all her fans, her followers, akenete muno ni uria maundu mathietwo na mbere kwagira. It has been blessings on blessings, no more drama, ni kuhorerete na maundu magakiagira ona makiria. And even yesterday maundu ni maragirire ona makiria. She shared this amazing news kugerera nenda ciake cia ukinyaniria. I congratulate kairitu kao na Samidoh, their eldest daughter, akiuga ma nigakorwo gakigwatira uhotani munene muno, a major step in her life. Na Edday arakorwo agigakungũira na njira nene muno, na taking to her social media pages, she revealed that their daughter has now joined secondary school, junior secondary school, na niko gaka haha in this lovely uniform iria ona iratigire andu makenete muno tondu makiuga ma she looks lovely in this uniform, na maiga congratulate for this next step in her life, in her education, joining junior secondary. Na Edday aikendithiria all the best, akiuga learn as much as you can while you are young, since life becomes too busy later. Dana Stewart Scott, junior secondary it is, kairitu ka Ndeto, hashtag my best friend, hashtag nothing but prayers. And she shared this video here of the girl dancing onako kaihuritwo ni gikeno kinene muno as she joins junior secondary, kehumbite uniform yako, ready to kick off this new journey ya junior secondary, na onako ni gakenu muno. Remember just some few years ago nitwonire Samidoh aikainira ati kairitu gakwa waneneha, and now here she is, kanenehete muno, gakurite muno, and joining junior secondary. Now of course my fans matinakiaga undu mangigikera, wishing her all the best as she joins junior secondary. Na ona mai congratulate Edday na Samidoh, ni wira mwega, ni marera kairitu o wega, na now she joins junior secondary, na maika wish all the best. Na ndugakiriganirwo subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.